In a world that never stops moving, where the digital hum fills every waking hour, and where stress and anxiety have become almost universal companions, many people are searching for ways to slow down, to find balance, and to reconnect with something deeper than the constant noise of modern life. Amidst this pursuit, one ancient practice has experienced a contemporary renaissance: Zen Mindfulness. Rooted in Buddhist philosophy, Zen emphasizes simplicity, presence, and the direct experience of reality, offering a counterbalance to the complexities of our fast-paced world. In this essay, we will explore how Zen-inspired mindfulness practices have evolved into widely used therapeutic tools, particularly in the realms of mindfulness-based stress reduction, MBSR, and psychotherapy. Before we dive into the complexities and the transformative power of Zen-based mindfulness, I want to take a moment to welcome you to the unfolding journey. This channel is dedicated to exploring the depths of human experience, seeking clarity amidst the chaos, and fostering growth through reflection and practice. If you're interested in understanding how ancient wisdom can be applied to modern life, especially in areas like stress reduction, mental health, and personal growth, you're in the right place. So, take a deep breath, open your mind, and let's embark on this journey together. The rise of mindfulness in a modern world. Mindfulness, in its essence, is the art of paying attention, on purpose, in the present moment, and without judgment. It is a practice that encourages individuals to engage with their thoughts, emotions, and surroundings in a direct, open, and accepting way. While mindfulness has been a part of Buddhist traditions for millennia, its application in the modern world has been a more recent development, especially in therapeutic contexts. In particular, mindfulness-based stress reduction, MBSR, and mindfulness-based psychotherapy have brought Zen-inspired techniques into mainstream psychological treatment, providing people with practical tools to manage stress, anxiety, depression, and other mental health challenges. The concept of mindfulness, as we understand it today, owes much to the Zen Buddhist tradition. Zen, a school of Mahayana Buddhism that emerged in China and later spread to Japan, places a heavy emphasis on the direct experience of the present moment. Zen practitioners engage in activities such as zazen, sitting meditation, koans, paradoxical riddles, and mindful awareness in everyday tasks, all of which emphasize living with simplicity, clarity, and attention to the present. In the 1970s, Dr. John Kabat-Zinn, a professor of medicine, began integrating Zen mindfulness into a therapeutic framework with the development of mindfulness-based stress reduction, MBSR. His pioneering work led to the widespread adoption of mindfulness as a tool for reducing stress and improving mental well-being. Today, MBSR is one of the most widely practiced mindfulness-based therapies in the world, used in hospitals, schools, and corporate settings alike. Zen mindfulness and simplicity. One of the core principles of Zen is simplicity. Zen practice encourages stripping away unnecessary distractions and returning to the essence of life, where every moment is experienced with full attention. This pursuit of simplicity is particularly relevant in today's world, where many people feel overwhelmed by the complexity of daily life. Whether it's the constant bombardment of information through technology, the pressures of work and family life, or the endless search for self-improvement. Zen teaches that true simplicity arises from clarity and presence, not from the elimination of things. The simple act of sitting quietly, observing the breath, and being present with one's thoughts is a profound practice that cultivates a deep sense of peace and awareness. When applied to modern therapeutic practices like MBSR, this idea of simplicity is crucial for reducing the mental clutter that often contributes to stress and anxiety. In MBSR, simplicity is not about doing less, but about doing more with attention and presence. By focusing on the body's sensations, breath, and the present moment, individuals begin to develop an awareness that allows them to detach from the constant mental chatter that often leads to stress. In this way, mindfulness helps people slow down and become more attuned to their immediate experience, offering a counterbalance to the overwhelming complexity of modern life. Mindfulness-based stress reduction, MBSR, Zen in practice. Mindfulness-Based Stress Reduction, developed by Dr. John Kabat-Zinn at the University of Massachusetts Medical School in 1979, was one of the first structured programs to systematically integrate mindfulness into a clinical setting. MBSR blends Zen mindfulness techniques with principles of cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, to help individuals manage stress, chronic pain, anxiety, depression, and other mental health challenges. The 8-week program typically involves weekly group sessions, guided meditation, and home practice assignments, all designed to teach participants how to cultivate mindfulness in their everyday lives. At the heart of MBSR is the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment. In this way, MBSR closely follows the Zen tradition of mindfulness meditation, where the goal is to observe the fluctuations of the mind without getting attached to them. MBSR participants are taught to become more aware of their thoughts, emotions, and bodily sensations, allowing them to respond to stress with greater equanimity. For example, someone experiencing chronic pain may learn through MBSR to observe the pain with mindfulness, noticing its sensations without judgment or resistance. By simply being present with the pain, without the added layers of mental commentary, the person can reduce the emotional intensity that often accompanies physical discomfort. This technique is directly derived from Zen teachings, which emphasize accepting the present moment as it is, without trying to change or escape it. The therapeutic potential of MBSR has been demonstrated in numerous studies, showing its effectiveness in reducing symptoms of anxiety, depression, PTSD, and chronic pain. One of the key elements of its success is the emphasis on self-compassion, which is deeply rooted in Zen practice. Zen mindfulness encourages practitioners to approach their own experience with openness and acceptance, rather than with judgment or criticism. This attitude of self-compassion is an essential component of emotional well-being and is central to the therapeutic effects of MBSR. Mindfulness and psychotherapy, a complementary approach. In addition to MBSR, mindfulness-based interventions have also been integrated into various forms of psychotherapy, creating a bridge between ancient practices and modern mental health care. Mindfulness-based cognitive therapy, MBCT, for instance, is a fusion of mindfulness and cognitive behavioral therapy that is specifically designed to prevent relapse in individuals with depression. In MBCT, patients learn to observe their negative thought patterns and emotions without getting caught up in them, much like the practice of Zen meditation. Mindfulness-based interventions in psychotherapy draw heavily from Zen's teachings on non-attachment and non-judgment. In therapy, clients are encouraged to notice their thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations without trying to change or judge them. This practice helps clients develop a greater awareness of their internal experience, allowing them to respond to situations with more flexibility and less reactivity. The integration of Zen-based mindfulness into psychotherapy has proven effective for a wide range of mental health issues. Research has shown that mindfulness practices can help reduce symptoms of anxiety, depression, and PTSD by encouraging clients to approach their inner experience with acceptance rather than resistance. By learning to be present with their emotions without getting overwhelmed by them, clients can begin to cultivate a sense of peace and clarity, even in the midst of difficult circumstances. Moreover, Zen-inspired mindfulness practices also encourage therapists to adopt a more mindful and present-centered approach to their work. Just as Zen practitioners cultivate awareness and presence in their own practice, therapists can benefit from being fully present with their clients, offering a space where clients feel heard, seen, and understood. This mindful presence can create a therapeutic alliance that fosters healing and growth. The broader impact of Zen-based mindfulness practices. The rise of mindfulness practices rooted in Zen has had a profound impact not only in the therapeutic context, but also in the broader cultural landscape. As more people seek ways to manage stress, cultivate emotional resilience, and improve their overall well-being, mindfulness has found its place in schools, workplaces, and community organizations. In schools, for instance, mindfulness practices are being used to help students manage stress, improve focus, and foster emotional regulation. Programs such as Mindful Schools have introduced mindfulness into classrooms, teaching students how to be present and mindful in their daily lives. These programs are grounded in Zen-inspired mindfulness, encouraging children to cultivate awareness, attention, and compassion from an early age. In the workplace, mindfulness has been adopted as a tool for improving employee well-being and productivity. Many companies now offer mindfulness programs to help employees manage stress, enhance creativity, and foster a sense of work-life balance. These programs often draw on the simplicity and presence emphasized in Zen teachings, encouraging employees to focus on the task at hand and develop a more balanced relationship with their work. The rise of mindfulness in these settings reflects a broader cultural shift toward simplicity, presence, and self-awareness. In a world that often feels fragmented and overwhelming, Zen-based mindfulness offers a path to reconnect with the present moment, to find peace amid chaos, and to cultivate a deeper sense of clarity and well-being. As we navigate the complexities of modern life, the teachings of Zen offer a timeless antidote to the chaos and distraction that often govern our lives. By embracing mindfulness, we can cultivate a simpler, more present way of being, one that allows us to meet each moment with clarity and acceptance. Whether through mindfulness-based stress reduction, psychotherapy, or everyday mindfulness practices, Zen-inspired mindfulness offers a powerful tool for reducing stress, improving mental health, and enhancing overall well-being. If you're inspired by the transformative potential of mindfulness, I invite you to subscribe to the Unfolding Journey channel. Join us as we continue to explore the intersections of ancient wisdom and modern life and discover how mindfulness can help you live a more balanced, fulfilling life. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this exploration of Zen and mindfulness meaningful, please consider subscribing to the Unfolding Journey. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with our latest videos on mindfulness, personal growth, and mental well-being. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's continue to unfold together, one mindful moment at a time.